Hi everyone, I'm Asit Samantrai and you are watching Art of Asit. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to prepare a paper house. It's very easy to do, so I'll show you step by step in this tutorial. Here I'm taking 2 color paper, and these 2 papers are rectangle shape, so I'll convert into square, and for that I'll take 21 centimeter length and 21 centimeter width also. So for that I'm putting marks, length and width. After that I will cut the remaining part of this paper. Here I am cutting the remaining part of this paper. So it will come out a square paper. Yes, this is the square paper of. So same thing I'll do with white paper. So here my papers are ready for doing craft. Now I have to fold the paper equally into 3 parts. Here I am showing how to do this. The paper length is 21 cm, so 21 divided by 3, around 7 centimeter will be each part. Now I keep holding it the way I am showing. So here I fold the paper equally. Once equally divided into 3 parts, this paper, then you start folding this. And same thing I'll do opposite direction also. I am putting the pencil mark for dividing equally. Now I started folding this paper, and finally the folding marks should be like this. Okay? Now this is the time to fold both edges of this paper. Yes. Now I'll fold the edges, both sides I'll fold it like this, little bits. Next, when you are folding, fold it properly. And next step, both sides of this paper in triangle shape I will fold it. See how I am showing? I am matching the edges and I am folding up to down, then down to up. I will fold it. See how I am doing? Then another side also I will do same thing. See? This cross spark will come once you finish your folding. Same thing I am repeating. Yes. Top to bottom also I will fold it like this. Okay. Now I'll open it. I'll see the folding marks. See how it's coming like zigzag, diamond shape cutting. So according to this folding marks, I'll fold it. See, yes. I'm showing how to do this. You just follow the steps. See, one side I got it square shape, and another side also I'll match with these folding lines. It's little difficult to fold it, but once you practice you'll get it. Yes, finally I got the shape. So again I'm showing how to fold it. So finally I got the cube shape, small cube. Okay. Now this part is finished. Now I will take another paper which I already prepared, square paper, and same thing I will repeat. This paper length around 21 centimeter. I will divide into 3 equally, and I'll fold it like this. Same thing in opposite direction also I'll do it. I'm putting again pencil mark. And folding. This way you can divide the paper equally. See? Now again right side I will fold it like triangle shape, top to bottom and bottom to top, for getting cross mark. Same thing I'll repeat another side also. Here, see? But this time when you are opening this paper, one side you should not open it. Okay? Then again left and right side of this paper corner you have to fold it according to your folding marks. See how I'm folding? You just follow the steps. Now I got the shape of the triangle, and this is the roof of this house. See? Now I'll take the Fevicol, which area I folded, it's coming out. So before sticking this roof, I have to stick properly with the gum. Your both shape completed. Now I am applying the gum to the cube, and I am placing the triangle on it. So when we are placing the triangle, the cube should be inside the triangle little bit. Fix it properly. Yes, see how it's looking? Such a cute box, such a cute house. Now for this house I need some door and windows. For that I am taking another color paper, and there using sketch pen I am drawing some windows and door shape. This drawing I'll cut it. This is the door shape. Again, 3 windows shape I'll cut it separately. It's very easy to draw this drawing. You can take any color paper for windows and door. Now I'll stick this door to the down part of this house, exactly where the house door must be. Then I'll take small window shape. I'll stick here. I'm putting. After that, both side I want to fix 2 window here, small window. Yes, right side, and left side also one more window I would like to fix. So here I'm taking last one to fix the window. Yes, this is the final output of my craft. Such a cute and beautiful paper house. It's so easy to do. Follow this tutorial and learn how to prepare a paper house, and I'm sure you can prepare this type of simple paper house. Let's create your own paper house. Thank you.